But guys, I put up some winter pieces, and if you want to see what I did, just keep watching. Hi, thank you for tuning in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. And guys, I just want to thank you for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to watch this video. And new viewers, if you like what you see, go ahead on and click on that subscribe button, and you can become a part of the Precious family. Welcome back, family. Okay, today I will be just showing you my living room, and this is the winter decor. And so I went on and I took down all of my previous decoration, and so I'm getting ready for the winter. And so guys, I just put back up some winter pieces. Okay guys, it is time for another refresh on my living room. It has been probably a little bit over 2 weeks, because I normally go maybe 2 weeks before I do another refresh. So I'm sort of like past due. Okay, so my colors for this time is gold, silver, and white. So I'm going to incorporate those colors in together, and I'm going to show you what I done. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Okay guys, let's start right here on this console table. And for you all that have been following me, you know where I got this mirror from. That Starburst mirror, and I love it. Okay, right along here is where I have my 2 candle holder. I'm not going to go through each piece and tell you where I got these items from. You have to follow me guys in my haul, and that's where all of the prices and the location where I picked up these pieces. Okay, so just go back to my hauls. Okay, here I have my 2 mirror glass candle holders. So I fell in love with these when I saw these in the store, so I just had to have them. And I think they are so beautiful. Okay, right along here is where I have my plant. Okay, and this is a live plant. I love my plant, guys. I have that green thumb. I took that from my mom. And I got that vine running between that little vignette on that side. Okay, and down on the bottom shelf, I got it simple, got my 2 birds with the empty vase. Okay, moving over here to this table. This is where I got my 3 candle holder, and this is like a mercury glass. Okay, and I thought this would be cute for the winter, so it's bringing out like that little winter wonderland. So I'm going with that silver there. Okay, on this side of the table, this is where I got my books. And guys, you know I always have my books. I'm not departing from my books, okay? And then I got my little giraffe right there. And also this nice vase. So this is my floral arrangement for this winter. And these are my sticks. These are some that I DIY. Okay, but I think it turned out pretty nice. All right, let's go over here to this plant. Now here is another one of my green thumb plants. That's my vine I got right there in front of the windows, trying to give it some sunshine. Okay, so here is my love seat, and this is where I have my silver shimmery pillows, and I can chop these. Wow. Okay, so that is what my love seat is looking like. Just going with the 4 pillows this time. Over here in this corner, this is where I got my gold and silver little arrangement there. And I have this beautiful vase. Isn't it gorgeous? And I have my chimpanzee again, along with my matching candle holder. So guys, you that have been following me, you guys know about the table. But just in case if I got some new viewers, this is a table that I DIY'd. The 2 end tables, and also the coffee table. And I'll give you another closer look at the coffee table. Okay, this is the coffee table that I DIY'd. I added the glass to it. This table was like a mahogany, and I changed the color and had some glass cut to fit. Okay, right here on this couch, I have the same pillows like I have on my love seat, except for the gold. On the love seat, I have the silver, and here I got the gold. Now here is where I change the color. I did a refresh on this couch, and I completely changed the color on all of the pillows. On my last video, I used nothing but pillow cover, and baby, I had all these pillows covered up, and it was looking a-okay. Okay, so here is my picture, my canvas picture. And I like it how it bringing out that gold, which is one of my pop colors. All right. Okay, and on this side, I have the same thing that I have on the other end of the couch, trying to keep this uniform. And here is the other end table that I DIY'd. So this is for my new viewers. So the viewers that been with me for a while, just give me a little time, because I don't want to shortchange my new viewers. Since I do have new viewers, I didn't explain this mirror here. So this mirror, I found it on Facebook Marketplace. Now this mirror is no joke. This is a 48-inch in diameter, and it's very thick. Talking to my new viewers right now that have not seen this mirror. It is very thick, and it has this pretty shimmery, it reflects this off of the sun. The sun is not out right now, but normally you will have these little rainbow colors whenever the sun hits it, and it just, oh, so gorgeous. Okay, so here is the console table. It was like a mahogany, and I had the glass cut to fit, and also the glass cut to fit here. And I went on and painted this bad boy silver. Okay, so thank you, my older family, for giving me this opportunity to explain to my new viewers. Okay, so I am going to give you another pan around this area. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for stopping by, clicking on this video each time. And guys, go ahead on and leave me a comment or comments, because comments help my channel grow. And guys, I really do appreciate it. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your support. Thank you for loving me, showing me love, leaving me comments each time. Guys, you rock. You rock. I appreciate you so much. And I hope that you are having a happy and prosperous new year. Okay, guys, so I'm sounding off. And until the next time, I will see you in my next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.